I'm going to teach you how to make a simple HTML file. I will show you how to print hello world in your web browser. First, open your notepad. Type HTML, head, and title. After it, you will type my first HTML. This will appear at the title bar of your web browser. Then close the title by then close the head, type body, then type hello world. This will appear as the content of the browser. Then close the body and then type the HTML. Then save the file, click save as type, make sure it's all files. Then type your file name and make sure that the extension name is HTML. And that's it.